Next, we'll demonstrate cast-on stitch. Let's look at the finished pattern. You need 2 needles of the same size. Let's demonstrate. Use color 7 4 strands for demonstration. Bring up at the top end of the line. Take down at the bottom here. Bring up vertically next to the exit point. Stay close to the exit thread. Don't space too far apart, or the loops will have large gaps. Take another needle of the same size. Insert it right next to the first needle. Make sure both needles are at the same length. Place your finger under the needles. Then, hold thread with one hand. Use your thumb to assist. Wrap once around your thumb. You can see a crossed shape below. Hold it down. Loop it onto both needles at once. Must go onto both needles together, not just one. This creates a loop. Let's demonstrate again. Hold thread in one hand. Wrap once around your thumb. This creates a crossed point. Hold this crossed point. Loop it onto both needles. Then pull thread. This creates a loop. Once more. Wrap around your finger, creating a cross here. Hold the crossed point. Loop it onto both needles. Pull thread. This creates a loop. Continue following these steps. Create loops. Slip onto needles. After each loop, adjust them. Keep them tight and seamless. Otherwise, the result will look sparse and loose, and won't look good. How much should you loop? Loop until slightly longer than the pattern. Here I made 12 loops. Hold the loops down with your finger. First, remove the needle without thread. Hold loops tight. Pull the threaded needle upward. Adjust the shape slightly with needle. Finally, take down at the bottom here. Let's look at the finished result.